So, hindi ka makamove on. Kain mo lang yun ng Burger McSavers. Promise, makamove on ka agad. What is up, Pilipinas? So, ngayon pag-uusapan natin sa video na to, yung commercial na kaya mo ng McDonald's. Ito yung sequel nung commercial last year na tuloy pa rin. And I just gotta say, this is one good sequel. Pero bago tayo magsimula sa review, click nyo muna yung subscribe button down below and click nyo rin yung bell button para mas update kayo sa mga Pinoy movie reviews, TV series reviews, upcoming sa channel na to. And let's get back to the show. Review time! So kung naalala nyo pa yung previous commercial na McDonald's, which is yung tuloy pa rin, maalala nyo si Kuya yung nakipag-break kay ate sa commercial na yon. And this time, siya yung leading actor. So nakita niya ngayon si ate girl na happy, naka-move on na. So ngayon gusto niya ma-rekindle yung love story nila dati. Ang problem nga lang, si ate girl may bago ng boyfriend and that really hurts. So nag-regret si Kuya, bakit nga ba siya nakipag-break doon kay ate? But eventually, naka-move on din siya dahil kumain siya ng crispy chicken burger ng McDonald's. So I guess masaya na silang lahat. So ngayon pag-usapan natin commercial na to. For sure maraming nakarelate, nakakonect sa story na to dahil masakit eh. Masakit. It really happens. Ito yung classic The One That Got Away story. So hashtag Totga. Ang galing lang dahil na-condense nila lahat ng emotions na to in one minute commercial. Nandito na yung regret, yung The One That Got Away, and yung positivity on moving on. Nakarelate talaga ako, maski ako dahil kapag tumadaan ako sa something sad or depressing, I eat a lot of burgers. Kaya feeling ko yun yung rason kung bakit ako tumaba. So, yun yung sinasabi ng commercial na to. Pag-usapan din natin yung cinematography and acting sa commercial na to. Unang-una yung cinematography, ang ganda ng lighting, lalo na yung framing ng shots. Feel mo yung pagka-isolated ng girl tsaka ng guy nung malungkot pa sila. Then once na nagiging happy na sila, nakikita mo yung light nag-brighten up. And yeah, it helps with the mood of the story. Pero yung pinaka-stand out talaga dito sa commercial na to would be yung acting ng guy tsaka ng girl, played by Tony and Elise. Subtle actions and reactions nila sa commercial na to, basically yun yung nakatulong sa ating viewers maramdaman yung pinagdadaanan nila, and it's really effective. Yung moral ng story na to, guys or girls, applicable to kahit kanino. Kung makikipag-break up kayo, siguraduhin nyo sure na kayo sa decision na yun. Kasi eventually, posibleng pagkasisihan nyo to. Dahil oras na mag-break up kayo, nothing's gonna be the same like before. And not everyone has a second chance. So, siguraduhin nyo na kung ano yung maging kagaya ni Kuya. Pero okay lang. You can still eat your burger and posibleng makamove on ka. Final words, yung message talaga ng commercial na to, it's very clear. So, thumbs up to McDonald's. Galing ng marketing nyo. And lastly, sana magkaroon ng third sequel pa to. Kaso nga lang, feeling ko imposible na. Kasi nakamove on na silang lahat. Lahat masaya na. So, move on na rin tayo, guys. That is it, you guys. So, comment down, #affected down below kung naapektuhan kayo sa commercial na to in some way. And don't forget to subscribe and also watch the previous videos or the upcoming videos in this channel. So, that is it.